Welcome, future engineers and IoT experts. My name is Rudi Hechfellner and I'm excited to be the instructor for the Advanced Engineering and IoT course at UC Berkeley. I have been in the industry for over 25 years. I've worked with semiconductors, LED lighting technology, communications, and of course IoT technologies. I've been the leader of many projects worldwide and have led integrations all over the globe. Now I'm here to share this exciting technology with you. Over the last 4 years, I have been instructing IoT courses, including at UC Santa Cruz Extension. And I'm passionate about sharing my hands-on expertise with all the students so they can unlock the unlimited world of IoT themselves. In this course, we will deep dive into the fundamentals of IoT technology. We will build a single board computer, install all the necessary hardware and software onto these computer systems. We will program those computers. We will connect sensors and actuators wirelessly to the network. And we will have a functioning IoT project ready for all students to take home. I have continuously seen my students to exceed their own expectations. And I'm amazed by what remarkable projects they are coming up with even after the course. I can't wait to see what creations will come out of this course, because every time there is a surprise, and the creativity has really no limits in this new world of IoT. So join me in this really thrilling IoT adventure in the Advanced Engineering and IoT course at UC Berkeley. I'll see you there.